Hello guys, Dave Santarelli here from Breaking Chart Alerts. Welcome to Breaking Chart Alerts. I want to show you quickly here how to set up your charts just like us. So when you're following at home, you know exactly what you're looking at. When you're following our live video, you could follow along at home and the language is going to be nice and simple here. So first things first, let me show you how to set up your charts just like we do. Okay, so if you have E-Trade Pro here, when you open up E-Trade Pro, exit out of everything. They have a default setting that comes up. Exit out of all that. And then I just want you to go here, put in chart. And then let's make this larger here. First, let's get off all the things we don't need. We don't need all this stuff down here. So up here in the top right, click on show quote values. Then again, click show zoom buttons. Then again, double click OE. And now that's all that you should see on there. Okay. So now what I want you to do, come down here, get rid of volume, hit the exit there. Now these candles here, these are regular hollow candles. I want you to put on here, these are exactly what we want. Make sure that's on hollow candles. And next, what I want you to do here is go to studies and add your MACD. This is your moving average convergence divergence. We use this with our trade plan. Okay, next thing I want you to do is go up to studies, add moving average. First one is going to be the 50 SMA. We always put that on red on all of our videos here. I've done that for the past 10 years, over 10 years. So the 50 as red. Okay, I'm going to go add another moving average here. I'm looking at the 1 year daily chart. So each one of these candles represent 1 day. And these candles tell you where the stock opened, where it closed, where the high and the low was for the day. Next one here I like to put is the 10-day simple moving average. This is going to be yellow. Okay. Now the last one that I like to use, we could also use the 200 SMA, but I like to put on here the 20. And we use that as like an aqua type of blue here. So now that's that set. This is how to set up your charts just like us. And if you want to keep track of your charts easily, you could identify them here with notes, go there, and then you could type in, this is a daily chart, so QQQ, daily chart, and you could save that. And now you know that this is your Q daily chart here, and then you get off of draw there. And now you got a beautiful chart set up exactly like us. And then once you learn the trade plan, you overlay the trade plan with these indicators here, and it comes out amazing. So now first off, now if you have and you want multiple charts, make sure you're going like this. Let me bring this in a little bit more here. Okay. So there we go. We have 8 Qs. And then if you want to make 2 or 4 per screen, you just go like this, add these a little bit higher, move it over, make room for another one, and then you go back up to tools, click on chart, and now we add this down here. And now we do the same thing like we just did with that last chart. When you first set it up, it always goes to default settings. So now you're going to go back up here and take all this stuff off like we did before. Get rid of the volume. Add in the studies, the MACD. And this one here we could put in SPY if we want. We'll keep them both at a 6-month daily. So again, each one of these candles represents 1 day. Here's the MACD, moving average convergence divergence. And now up here we go to studies and again add the moving averages. 50 is the red. Studies, moving average. The 10-day simple moving average we're going to put as yellow. And then we're going to go back up here, studies, moving average, and we're going to use that aqua blue as the 20-day simple moving average. Now that you have these on here, you can easily see And there you go. We can make this one a little bit bigger here. There's that. Now what you want to do, and you could easily make these smaller and add 4 per screen, and then you could connect a monitor. So if you guys look at me here in the office, right over here, I have another monitor right here, which let me pull into the cam here, and you can see a little bit. So there's the other monitor there, and I'm able to connect the monitors and extend my display more. So you see in the monitors in back of me, this is what I use to trade the main trading account, and then this computer is what I use to trade the Trade Challenge account throughout the day. So back to here. Now what you want to do before you exit out, you always want to go to File, Layout, and Save Layout. Always save your layout here, and that'll save really nicely now for you. And now what you could do is come down here and you could go to different screens. You could go to screen 5, screen 6, and then each one of these tabs down here is a blank screen that you could create your watch list and whatever else you want here. But for you guys that are watching us at home, the best thing for you guys to do is a lot of our members use our YouTube or stuff like that on their smart TV. And they pull us up on their smart TV at home, and then they trade off their computer or their cell phone with us throughout the day. So that's a great option there. That way you guys can see our charts, and then if you're trading on your cell phone, your laptop, you're able to easily watch us, what we're doing, and you're able to easily follow along here. So a great suggestion in there. Also our trading app. As soon as we send out a trade, you'll get a notification on the app. Go to the App Store, the Apple App Store, search Breaking Chart Alerts, or go to the Google Play Store and search Breaking Chart Alerts, and make sure you download that. That's going to help you tremendously throughout the day. And again, once you're signed up here, you get these charts set up like we do. Download the app, log in. You could watch us from the live trading app there, or you could watch us on YouTube in the morning, and we're live in Zoom in the afternoon here. So again, go up here, click on Layout, Save Layout, and you guys are set then. Once you reopen your trading account, it'll pop up just like this. And then when I say, guys, check out Apple, you could easily put in AAPL, and now it's going to come up just like that with the 10, 20, 50 SMA and the MACD. And when I talk about the candles, you'll easily know what we're talking about, and you're going to be able to easily follow along with us. So great job, guys. Again, this account that I'm on in front of me on this Lenovo here, this is the Trade Challenge account. This is what we started with 2,500, and you could see as it is now, it's over, that's settled cash right there, but we're over 3,500 here in the Trade Challenge account. And we just recently started really trading the Trade Challenge account in the past week and a half here. So that's how you set up your charts like we do. And if you want to go in here and type in Apple here, you can type in AAPL daily chart. And now every time you bring up Apple, that'll come up just like that. And then once you know our trade plan, you could use further tools here and identify the entry and exits and cycles and phases of our trade plan. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a great night and are taking care. Take care, guys. God bless. Have a great night and stay safe. Bye-bye, guys.